It's okay, baby. We're gonna go for a hike, okay? Hey everybody, today it is our Monday family day and we are going to be hiking. We are gonna do the Tumalo Falls loop. It's about 6.8 miles and about 1,200 feet of elevation gain. We've got Saoirse with us. Last week we took her to Green Lakes, which was about 9 miles. It was like a long hike for her, but she did super well. She was totally fine. She even slept a little bit in the pack. We're gonna see how today goes. Ready to go, Saoirse? You ready to go? We also have to bring our face masks. I like to tie mine. My friend taught me this really cool way to do it, where basically you can just throw it on, pull it back down, throw it over your ears, keep it tied around your neck. But yeah, we need to bring face masks because we're still living in the COVID world here in Oregon, and gotta be safe even when you're on the trails and outside. Got that. So we just got to this waterfall right here. You see behind me. It's gorgeous. It's like this double piered waterfall. And Saoirse's doing good, but her hat keeps coming over her face. So you can't see her little face. Let's see if I can fix it. She fixed it. Hey, baby.
We wake you up?
Should we just leave it like that? Oh. We're about 30 minutes in, and I think it's time for a ponytail because the back of my neck is very sweaty.
Saoirse. Ah! La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
About an hour and a half in, and it's so beautiful. We didn't realize how many waterfalls there were up here. There's one right here behind me. Super gorgeous. Covered. She's like sleeping like this. I also like to hang some toys like this off of the pack. Oh, I think she's waking up. I'm gonna fix her head again. She's like covering her eyes. But Saoirse, look, it's a waterfall. It's a waterfall behind us. So I like to hang some of these toys off of my pack so that sometimes when she gets fussy, I can just hand them to her and she'll suck on them. And then I also put a little handkerchief or a bandana back here, and I do that. Sometimes she'll suck on that as well. That really works really well. Oftentimes though, she just ends up sucking on the pack, and that's fine. We try to clean it off when we can. My mom actually found us an even better pack. It's a Kelty pack, I think is the brand. And oh gosh, Joey's making me so nervous. I don't know where he's going. Well, I do, down to the water probably. He always does this, it makes me so nervous. Okay, I guess he's not going all the way down, but I'm such a scaredy cat when it comes to other people. When it's myself, I'm totally fine, but if it's somebody else, like especially my husband, it makes me so nervous when he goes to the edge like that. But hey baby, you having fun? You having fun? Yeah? Well, my mom got me a better pack, but it's from a garage sale, which is awesome, so it's cheap. I think it's Kelty brand or something. So anyway, she got me a new baby carrier, which I'm really excited about because this one is starting to kind of dig in my back, right over my right shoulder blade. Something along that strap there is pushing in really hard, and don't really like that. And it's just kind of simple, like it works. It has a chest strap and stuff. It's got, thank you for my belly, but it's got some, like paddedness on the belt, but it just sort of stops right around my belly. So I'd like to get something that has some pockets, and then I can also get a shade screen thing for the Kelty pack that she got me that attaches, because this one does not have a shade cover, so we're always trying to keep her covered as much as possible, and it's a little bit difficult. Some good shots? Ooh. Every time.
I was just joking.
having our lunch. Kind of more of a snack lunch. I am like such a meal person, such a food person. I really need like extensive snacks on hikes, and that was really good. And now Joey's just getting one last shot of this waterfall up here. That's like a double, like, I forget what you call it, pier, or like multiple levels of it. It's really gorgeous. And then we're gonna head back.